Service in Malvern has issued a flood warning for central Volusia County in east central Florida until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:53 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in Port Orange and areas west of I-95. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen, with an additional 2 to 3 inches possible as slow-moving showers build over the area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Deltona, Daytona Beach, Port Orange, and New Smyrna Beach. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties